Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we got to talk about some risks coming up in the crypto market when it comes to regulation. Now, guys, I know if you're a crypto person, it is no secret that the SEC is anti-crypto, but lately we've seen some stories about the CFTC, another important regulatory body in the US when it comes to crypto regulation, that seems to have been more friendly towards crypto than the SEC. But now there is a new announcement coming out today where they brought some charges against some DeFi products, and we got to talk about it. Let's look at what politicians are saying about crypto regulation, and let's look at what's coming up in the crypto market ahead, guys. If you like the content, tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, but let's hop right into this content. Folks, we are at 1.04 trillion, just coasting along. Bitcoin's been stuck. Not sure if we want to come back above $26,000 or if we want to break lower to the $20,000, $22,000 targets that we've been talking about over the last couple months. Ethereum's also at $1,620 right now, but nothing exciting is going on in the markets except for some statements being made by some key politicians. One of them being Senator Ted Cruz says he's bullish on Bitcoin. It does seem that a lot more Republican candidates are pro-crypto than Democratic candidates. We've seen a lot more conversation about money laundering and potential hacks from North Korea from Democratic candidates, which are things we do need to look at. But we see more of a pro-crypto stance from Republican candidates, which is an interesting thing to see going into a presidential election, going into a bull market as we see. We also see a recent Republican candidate who's a businessman. I believe his name is Vivek. I think he's one of the more popular candidates. He's bullish on Bitcoin, but we also do have Democratic candidates as well, like Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who's bullish on Bitcoin. So these are good when it comes to thinking about what is the direction for crypto regulation in the future. But we do need to be conscious of Gary Gensler. And a lot of people are asking, is he resigning? This was a while ago, back on July 3rd. This article came out, but there were rumors, mostly by BitBoy Crypto. But now today, we do have more reports that I wanted to share with you. One specifically from Whale Chart on Twitter, and there's a couple other folks on Twitter saying the same thing, but we don't have sources. I need to tell you guys, we do not have sources. Do your own research. This is not financial advice, but accordingly, the Coinbase CEO said SEC chairman may change in 2024. We don't have official sources, and who knows if the Coinbase CEO, Brian Armstrong, is accurate on this. Of course, this is a dream for people in crypto because clearly Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, is anti-crypto at this point, but we don't know for a fact if this is going to change. Now, we did think that the CFTC was a pro-crypto entity and pro-crypto regulation. We just saw a CFTC chairman proposing I guess let's call it a test with crypto entities in a big way and starting to utilize DeFi more. But now we just saw some charges today come out about DeFi protocols, specifically OPYN, 0x, and Deridex, which just settled on some CFTC charges because basically they were failing to comply with sanctions and they didn't register their products properly. But the question as crypto folks that we have to have in our mind is, does a DeFi project need to register with centralized entities? That is still a debate that's going on, but there's going to have to be a balance that's made between regulatory bodies, the US government, and decentralized entities like decentralized exchanges and decentralized protocols. It's going to be an interesting journey, guys, and there's a lot coming ahead, but it is good to see some pro-crypto politicians coming out. At this time, Bitcoin is testing the $25,874 level, and it is just trying to decide if we are going up, or if I zoom out and get out of the 3-hourly candles, I go to the weekly candles. You can start to see on the bigger trend line, it looks like Bitcoin wants to bleed down, possibly to this target that I've drawn at maybe 19,500, possibly even maybe $22,000 per Bitcoin. Of course, we are at a key level right now, key support, so this thing could bounce before coming down, or who knows, maybe we don't come down altogether. But historically, guys, we do know, like I've been talking about for months and months and months, if you look at the history of Bitcoin and crypto, this is 2023, you look all the way back to 2013, you see every single month the performance of Bitcoin, the monthly returns month over month. Septembers are typically bearish. We are only down 0.98% right now, which would be one of the least bearish Septembers that we've had besides some of the positive Septembers. And it makes me think we're due for more downside, especially coming up with the Fed rate hikes. But this is something we've been talking about for a while. I do think this is going to be a good month for dollar cost averaging opportunities. There are some regulatory risks ahead for the crypto market, but at the end of the day, I think that we're going to have to move forward with crypto. We see a lot of nations adopting crypto. We see a lot of companies adopting crypto. And I think the US is going to embrace it at some point. So it's my belief that if you're early to the crypto party and you're buying now while there's still uncertainty in the air, then you're early and you are an early adopter and you have an opportunity for the best gains. Of course, it's not financial advice, folks, but let me know what your thoughts are on this analysis in the comments down below. That's all I got for you in this one, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you gotta remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.